I'm going to share my screen and show you guys what we're looking at here for composition 3 today. So if you scroll down, there's a post, lesson plan for Monday, July 6th, which is today. We're going to watch a few YouTube videos. They're short. I think 4 minutes is the longest one. We're going to watch some of those, and then you're going to write a letter to a school official telling him or her one thing you would like to see improved at your school. Your letter must include 5 components. It must include a date, salutation, body, closing, and signature. And we'll go over what all of those mean if you aren't 100% sure after the videos. And then your letter must be formal, so pay attention to your vocabulary or your word choice, and complexity, your sentence length. So you want longer sentences sometimes, but not just a full run-on sentence, the whole thing. You should sound intelligent and sophisticated. Also, you should avoid contractions and abbreviations. Finally, your letter must contain 3 rhetorical appeals: ethos, logos, and pathos, or pathos. Does anyone remember from our class last week what each of these mean? And you can chime in, just unmute yourself. If you remember what one of these mean, you can check your notes.
Ethos is credibility, logos is logical appeal, and pathos is emotional appeal.
Michael, you nailed it. So that's absolutely correct. Ethos is your authority. Like, why should we trust you to speak on this topic? That's ethos. Logos is the logic behind it, the reasoning behind your argument. So it needs to make sense. And pathos is the emotional appeal. So it needs to express some feeling and maybe evoke feeling from the reader. That's if you forgot what those were, I would write that down, because you may have them on a test later. Who knows? So ethos again is credibility or authority. Why should I be speaking on this? Why should you believe me? Or trust me? Why should you trust me? Logos again is logic, the reasoning behind the argument. Does it make sense?